all. Welcome to One Dastic Tech, your window into the world of amazing food technologies. Banana cultivation starts long before you see those perfectly yellow fruits in supermarkets. It all begins in the soil. Farmers prepare the land meticulously, ensuring it has the right pH balance and adequate drainage. Once the field is ready, banana seedlings are loaded onto a mechanical cultivator. With the help of 2 workers, each seedling is gently inserted into the soil. The workers then manually straighten the stems to ensure upright growth, a critical step for healthy plant development. To keep the soil moist and support early root development, a fine mist of water is sprayed continuously. Depending on the variety, banana plants take anywhere from 9 to 20 months to reach maturity. Some grow faster, especially those bred for export. During this growing period, the plant produces a central bud from which flowers will emerge. At this point, a farmer trims the tip of the bud, encouraging the flower cluster known as a banana hand to emerge more fully. When the female flowers appear, selective cutting of certain parts accelerates the development of the fruit cluster. This pruning process is crucial to forming healthy, uniform bananas. As bananas mature, workers selectively harvest large bananas while leaving the smaller ones on the plant to continue growing. The flower at the end of the banana stalk, often called the banana heart, is trimmed off to divert energy into ripening the fruits instead of supporting unnecessary growth. This phase concludes the cultivation stage and ushers in disease control and protection. Banana cultivation is not without its threats. Leaf diseases are one of the biggest issues farmers face. Common diseases include xanthomonas wilt, fusarium wilt, and black and yellow sigatoka. These infections can severely damage banana plants, reduce yields, and ruin entire plantations if not managed promptly. To fight these threats, workers begin by manually removing infected leaves. This prevents the spread of pathogens to healthy parts of the plant. Following this, chemical treatments are applied using both ground spray machines and aerial agricultural aircraft, especially in large plantations. Pesticides like dimethoate, dione, and methyl-dion 25EC 0.05% are commonly used. These chemicals work by targeting the pest's nervous systems, effectively controlling insects such as aphids, thrips, and mites. Ground crews often operate spray machines that coat the plant's surface, while airplanes provide broader coverage for extensive fields. This dual approach ensures healthy crops throughout the growing cycle and prepares the banana plants for a successful harvest. Harvesting bananas is both an art and a science. Timing is everything. Workers first measure the size of each banana bunch and assess their ripeness. When a bunch is fully mature, workers use sharp, clean tools to cut them from the plant. This must be done carefully to avoid bruising or damaging the delicate fruit. One notable aspect of banana harvesting is the handling of suckers, small offshoots that grow from the base of mature banana plants. These are left in place as they'll eventually grow into the next crop. Meanwhile, the harvested banana bunches are carried on workers' shoulders to a rope-based transport system, often called a banana ropeway. The ropeway system moves the bananas efficiently across the plantation, especially in large or hilly areas. Once the bananas arrive at the transport hub, they're tied securely to the hooks of the rope system and sent off to the initial cleaning area. This is where the first post-harvest stage begins. At the washing station, the bananas undergo their first cleaning. Workers spray them with clean water to remove dirt, pests, and any residues from the field. This initial cleaning not only makes them look better, but also reduces bacterial presence, increasing shelf life. To protect the bananas during transport, workers place soft cotton paper between the rows of bananas. This minimizes friction and prevents bruising. In remote areas where machines can't be used, this manual method is especially valuable. It requires less machinery and labor, making it ideal for small-scale operations. After this stage, the bananas are either transported to nearby factories or directly to packaging stations if the demand is immediate. Because bananas ripen quickly, time is of the essence. Once inside the banana processing factory, the bananas go through several meticulous stages. Workers first remove the cotton padding placed earlier, then measure the bananas again to confirm size and ripeness. A second water wash follows to eliminate any remaining contaminants. A quality control inspector may select random bananas from each batch and cut them open to check freshness and internal texture. Only bananas that pass these checks move on to the final wash stage. In this phase, the large bunches are cut into smaller clusters and gently submerged into clean water tanks. This ensures every banana is fully sanitized before packaging. Inside the tanks, scissors are used to trim stems and further divide banana clusters into standard sizes. The goal is to make them market ready in terms of appearance, weight and consistency. Once the bananas meet all quality benchmarks, they're loaded into trays and weighed. Only when the specified weight is confirmed are they transferred to the packaging line. Packaging bananas is a precise process. Workers align the bananas on a conveyor belt which leads to an automated sealing machine. This machine carefully seals the bananas without applying excess pressure, preventing bruising. Before sealing, a special chemical solution is applied to the freshly cut stems. This solution prevents bacterial infection at the exposed cut area and extends shelf life. In the next room, workers fill paper cartons lined with large plastic bags. Bananas are placed in layers, one row, one layer of plastic, then another row, and so on. This layering prevents crushing during transit. A vacuum machine then removes air from the plastic lining, reducing oxygen exposure and slowing down the ripening process. Each carton is then labeled with the company's seal, manufacture date, expiry date, and batch serial number. Once sealed, workers manually tape the boxes shut. These cartons are then stacked and made ready for transportation or export. Banana chips production transforming fruit into crunch. Not all bananas end up as fresh fruit. Some take a tastier turn becoming banana chips. In a different section of the factory, selected bananas are peeled manually. Workers remove the yellow skins, revealing the white edible pulp underneath. The pulp is then processed in one of two ways: ground into a fine mixture which is later formed into chip shapes, or sliced directly into thin rounds without grinding. These slices go into large industrial frying machines filled with hot oil. As the chips fry, they puff slightly and develop a golden color and crispy texture. After frying, the chips are passed onto a rotating oil extractor which removes any excess oil. Then comes the flavoring stage. A flavor mixing machine tosses the chips with seasonings, from classic salt to spicy blends. The flavored chips continue on a conveyor belt to the packaging area. AI-powered packaging, smart snacks, smart tech. The banana chip packaging room is equipped with artificial intelligence-based machines. These machines automatically measure chip weight, dispense chips into polyethylene bags, and heat seal the bags for freshness. Filled chip packets are collected and placed into paper containers, just like the fresh bananas. These containers are labeled with the company name, production date, expiry date, and a unique batch code. The mouths of the containers are then manually taped to ensure they remain secure during transit. This last human touch guarantees product safety during handling, shipping, and shelf display. Final journey, market ready and good to go. Now that both fresh bananas and banana chips are processed, packed, and sealed, they're ready to hit the market. Whether sold locally or exported abroad, these bananas have gone through a journey filled with care, precision, and cutting-edge technology. From planting in the fields to frying in a factory, the entire banana production process showcases the perfect blend of agricultural expertise, mechanical innovation, and human effort. It's a testament to how modern food processing ensures safety, quality, and sustainability at every step. A conclusion, a journey worth biting into. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of banana harvesting and processing. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most consumed fruits on the planet. If you found this guide informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to One Dastic Tech for more exciting food tech explorations. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.